Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with a wonderful detox tea recipe for you today. Now this is what I'm going to call my turmeric ginger coconut water tea. Okay, now you drink this 1 hour before bed and the results in the morning is going to amaze you. All right, now let's get familiar with some of the ingredients that you're going to need for this. It's simple and you're going to see some really great results in your body. Now you're going to need a blender. Okay, a blender, food processor, you're going to need it. So I'm going to use my trusty NutriBullet today. We're also going to be working with some coconut water. All right, so we're going to use 2 cups of coconut water. I already have it measured over here. Next, we're going to be using some honey. Now, I already got a comment from one of you guys talking about, is this fructose syrup, whatever. Well, not everyone can afford organic honey. So for those of you who can get it, okay? And I will not discriminate from those who cannot. So if you have to use store-bought honey, then use it, all right? If you have raw honey, all the better, all the better. The more natural this drink is, the better. So if you only have regular honey, you can use that too, all right? So we're gonna be working with our honey. We're also gonna be working with 1-inch piece of ginger, and we're going to be working with our fresh turmeric. I can never pronounce that. It actually smells a little bit like a carrot, okay, but it does a whole lot better. We're also going to be using the juice of 1 full whole lemon, as well as sprinkling some black pepper. Yes, you guys, black pepper. You're going to be amazed at the black pepper, because what this is going to do, the black pepper is going to be for maximum absorption in this drink. All right. Now this is so easy, it's gonna be so quick. You're gonna be like, what the heck? Now what I like to do is I like to skin my ginger. I don't know why I like it. I don't like all of that extra stuff on it, the earthy stuff. Being that it's like a carrot and we're gonna be drinking this, it's best that you probably peel or scrape the skin off like what I'm doing. All right, just that little covering. It comes off so you don't have to actually cut it. And it's always best that you wash your fruits and vegetables before using them, okay? So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our ingredients inside of our blender. You're gonna put your ginger. You're also gonna put your turmeric. If you want, you can cut it up. Like I said, it looks like a carrot, right? Just a funny shaped carrot. All right, so you're gonna put your turmeric in there, your ginger in there, and you're gonna put your coconut water in there as well. Now we're just gonna pop the top on this, okay? So now we're ready for blending. You have everything inside of your blender. All right, let's start. Now we're back. Now this looks so colorful and pretty. Look at the color. All right, that's from our turmeric. All right, so after blending your drink, now it's time to add in your extra ingredients. So what we're gonna do is just do like a little dash of black pepper, okay? Just sprinkle a dash and that's good enough. Next, you're gonna be using 2 teaspoons of your honey. All right, now after you put your honey and everything in there, now it's time to get the juices from our lemons. So we're gonna put our lemons in there and squeeze the juice into your cup. One thing with these lemon squeezers, you really get the maximum juices from your lemons. So now that we finished with that, we're just gonna pop our blender top back on just for a short time. All right, just to mix up everything. And that's just to get everything, mix it all up nice, okay? Now after that, we're going to strain this drink. So you're going to need a strainer, okay? And you know what? To make it easy to pour, this is what I like to do. Just so that it's easier to pour into your cup, I like to pour the drink back inside of my measuring cup. That just makes things a whole lot easier, you guys. It makes it a whole lot easier to pour it directly inside the cup. And what we're doing is straining whatever shreddages that might be in the cup from the ginger and the turmeric. Okay. And there you have it, you guys. Now all of that will not fit inside that cup, but you get a nice large enough size cup, glass, or whatever to put your drink into. And there you have it, you guys. Now, like I mentioned, this wonderful drink right here, you're going to drink this 1 hour before bed, okay? 1 hour before bed. And in the morning, the results that you're going to have in your body is going to amaze you. Okay, let me try this. Okay. Now, honestly, when I do the turmeric powder, I don't like the flavor of the turmeric powder. The fresh turmeric is very good. The honey gives it a nice taste. You're not gonna taste too much of the bitterness. I do taste the lemons, okay? I don't taste any shreddage. Tell you that NutriBullet is the bomb. I don't taste any type of shreddages from my ginger or my turmeric. Straight fluid, you guys. And the coconut water gives it a nice flavor. Drink this 1 hour before bed. I don't know why I'm drinking it during the daytime. I guess you guys got me doing this. So like I said, drink this 1 hour before bed and the results are gonna amaze you in the morning. After drinking this shot, you are definitely gonna feel it. You're gonna feel a super concentrated punch that's gonna boost your immune system and fight against inflammation effectively. Adding ginger to this drink will add to the power because it is great for the belly, and it also improves our ability to absorb nutrients better. It's a super powerful drink, but be very, very careful. It is very staining, okay? Right now I got yellow stains all over my newly manicured nails, so be very careful because the turmeric is very staining. This is a wonderful drink, you guys. Wonderful drink. The ginger, the turmeric, the benefits that your body's gonna have. Drink this whole thing 1 hour before bed. That's it. And you drink this at least 3 times a week. 3 times a week, you guys, that's it. So if you prepare this drink, it's best to prepare it fresh. It only takes a minute. You got yourself a refreshing drink, and drink this cold, okay? Room temperature cold because of the coconut water. I would not recommend drinking this warm or hot. So please, this is a cool drink. This is not considered a meal replacement. So you drink this 1 hour before bed, you guys, and that's it. 1 hour before bed. Easy to make at night. Simple. Takes about a minute. That's all you need. So if you're trying to get rid of that belly fat, you're trying to get rid of that stomach bloat, you're trying to get rid of that abdominal area, the pooch, drink this right before bed. Okay? Don't eat anything else after you drank this. Drink this 1 hour before bed. Go to sleep, and it's going to work on you throughout the night. And in the morning, you'll see the results. Okay? So thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe down below. And if you want to see more of these wonderful detox drinks, bedtime drinks, weight loss drinks, okay, stay tuned and look out for another video coming your way soon. All right? And until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.